personality and a very wonderful student of MIT. Day before yesterday, I mentioned that she's a very good orator, command, she's a motivational speaker. You just name and all qualities are with Kanika. And I mentioned that when she introduced Vishwanath Karad sir told that he mentioned specifically that no one introduced me the way she has introduced me. That was the first time she introduced him, and he was so happy. He was so happy. So a wonderful student. Now she has started her own. She's an entrepreneur now, and she wants to be associated with MIT.
Great.
So
Yes.
So yes, thank you, Kanika. And
No, I'm
we
very
all are looking
grateful.
forward to listen you.
Kanika,
Yes, sir.
if you do you understand Marathi a little bit?
No, sir, I don't.
Okay. Yeah. So this is my problem. So what I want to say is what I want to say you, Kanika, is look at the professors who are talking about you. They all are words, full of words. So
okay.
I see motivated Bharati sir, motivated Shastri madam, and everyone. So I have seen your CV, but I'm not the right person to judge. But I know Bharati sir and Shastri madam. I will talk to them in detail, and we will definitely like to associate with you. I will interact with you more in coming days. Nice to have you here, Kanika.
And like I said, I'm very grateful to my tenure that I spent in college. I think whoever I am today is largely because of that. I'm only paying this back to, you know, what I owe so much to the college. So I'm very grateful.
Sure, Kanika. And your name is such a nice name. It reminds me of Kanad.
It also means gold, you know. So Kanika means gold, and my full name is Kanika Pandey Tiwari. When I got married, I already had business visas on my name, and I thought it was not fair कि you know अपनी पहचान को मैं खो दूँ. So I retained my name, and I only added my husband's name, and I realized he had not added my name to his. So why should I be unfair to myself? Not fair. So hence my full name is Kanika Pandey Tiwari. It's official on documents as well.
It is a delight to have you here. It is fantastic to know that students like you have really scaled the heights. It is amazing to learn more about you as you tell your story by yourself. I still remember the day we just had a conversation wherein you particularly mentioned, ma'am, I would like to introduce myself. What more did we expect from a student like you? I have been hearing about you for many days now, since we started discussing about having an alumni talk. Bharati sir made it a point to get Kanika on the board. She will be a great value addition. Actually, students in today's day, because of this unprecedented time, are going through a lot, and a motivational speaker like you having on board is absolutely a pleasure. Rather than taking much time from the students' pocket, I would request you to please introduce yourself.
So first of all, a big hello to everyone. I know the cameras are off, but I'm quite certain that you're all listening to this. So a big hello to all the students here. मैं आप ही के लिए हूँ यहाँ पे, and I'd like you to ask me a few questions if you like. I'm not really here to give you motivational gyan, but if you have questions that I can answer for you, I think that will be the real success of this session. So I'll keep my introduction very short, and if you have questions after that, you can ask me. So like I told you, my name is Kanika Pandey Tiwari. Quick background, my father was in the army, so I moved 12, 13 schools before I landed in MIT. MIT was the longest place I stayed for 4 years, and they were kind to keep me for 4 years. I was a good student, as Bharati sir said. I think top 3, top 5 per class. I think I also had some university rank holders in a couple of subjects across university. I've got these certificates from Pune University, which says that I was number 1 or number 2 in some of the subjects as well. So yes, that is my time in MIT. I was also very grateful that I got a campus placement. So I was picked up by Pfizer. I was picked up by Baxter, and I chose to do my career with Baxter. I also want to touch upon this. You know, जब मैं third year में थी, my father is an army officer, is an MTech from JNU, and I asked him, MBA करूँ कि MTech करूँ? Right? Should I go to US? Should I do MS? What should I do? And he told me that you should do your MS because MBA तो सभी कर लेते हैं. You know, you should do MTech, and you know, you're a technically bright student, so you should do that. थर्ड ईयर में मैंने गेट की प्रिपरेशन की, पढ़ाई में अच्छी थी हमेशा, यूनिवर्सिटी में रैंक होल्डर थी, तो वो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं थी. बट समवेयर अराउंड द फोर्थ ईयर, अराउंड द कैंपस प्लेसमेंट, आई रियलाइज दैट MS and MTech is really not for me. Even while I was very bright in students, and कई बार तो भाईती सर के subjects में भी मैं काफी अच्छा कर लेती थी, while he was really strict with us. But I realized somewhere that it wasn't for me. And I think the first time in my life when I didn't listen to my father is when I decided I don't want to do an MBA. And I also don't want to do an MS. I want to apply what I've learned in college, चाहे वो pharmaceutical के subjects हो या my, pharmacology हो. I really wanted to understand how does this apply in real life. And that is why I was very keen to take up a job. पैसे भी थोड़े कम थे, तो MBA करना थोड़ा लोन लेके थोड़ा मुश्किल था. So I decided that why not earn for yourself. And I was like 22 when I started my job with Baxter. वो interest journey बड़ी interesting थी because I was in Baxter, I was in sales for a very large part. Then I moved into marketing. Then I moved into HR. Very unthought of career moves. But मैंने कभी अपने लिए choose नहीं किया. I thought the organization kept choosing for me. मैं sales में थी, उन्होंने बोला देखो तुम बहुत अच्छा काम करती हो, marketing में आ जाओ. I did a decent job in marketing and they said, why don't you do HR for us? And then since I used to speak well, they said, why don't you start trainings with us? And that's when they sent me to Singapore for a short while to do an assignment for Asia Pacific. I was managing China, Japan, Philippines, Taiwan, Korea. And this happened till 2013. 2012, 13, I had my child. And that's when I decided I wish to, maybe spend more time at family, because मैं 15-20 दिन travel करती थी. कभी I was traveling across the world and I didn't have time for family that time. So 2013, I decided up family. This is the family time. I started my PhD. I know मैंने masters नहीं किया है, but क्योंकि पढ़ाई में अच्छी थी, तो मेरी bachelor's degree से मुझे, I think it's the first time in history that somebody's got a PhD admission without even doing masters. So I got enrolled at IMI Delhi for my PhD. Also because I had years of corporate experience is also why they allowed me, because I bring practical experience to the table. And my organization was sponsoring me as well. Not the money part of it, but they said, we'd like Kanika to pursue PhD. So I started my PhD. That's when I started teaching at a couple of colleges, MBA colleges across the country. And now I'm a visiting faculty with MDI Gurgaon. I'm a visiting faculty with IIFT. I teach at IMI, I teach at FOR, I teach at IIM Kashipur. So there are a couple of places I continue to teach. And last 5 years, I have my own consulting firm, which is called Go Diverse. That's all I have to tell you. Other than this, I'd like to answer questions if anyone has of me. And if any questions you want to pick up from what I just said, I'm happy to answer them.
Yes, the students will take a bit of time as they are shy as they were previously. So before they start bombarding, they will surely, you have already triggered their minds. So they will start it surely in short while. But I have a lot of questions on the board. Kanika, actually, I've got to know through your brief resume that you are into a lot of things. Like, it is not the one thing you are good at. You are into a lot of things. Did your, as you mentioned that you have been to 13 different places before you joined MIT. Did this aspect really contribute to your personality?
I think I was a very shy student even when in first year, Bharti sir will agree, I was a shy student, but I think I was a very hardworking student. Why? I'll tell you why. जिस ये सेशन की Bharti sir बात कर रहे हैं, जब मैंने कराज सर को इंट्रोड्यूस किया था, काफी स्टूडेंट्स को बोला था तुम करोगे क्या? And everybody was like, दिमाग खराब है, छुट्टी का दिन है, we can go out to have, कोने वाली दुकान में बैठ के, आलू खाएंगे. Who wants to prepare all this and, put yourself in the limelight? So I think I took up the challenge because nobody else was doing it, quite honestly. And मुझे लगता है मेरी life का पूरा role ऐसे ही गुजरता गया है, wherein I've done things that nobody wanted to do often. So for example, another example I'll give you, जैसे हमारे जब ये yearly event होता है, जो हमारा annual day होता है, तो उसमें everybody, you had all colleges participating, right? The Women's College, MIT, Engineering and Pharmacy. और हर बार comparing मैं करती थी. And often I used to tell people कि यार तुम भी कर लो, why don't you do it? And they're like, कौन speech बनाएगा और कौन लोगों को introduce करेगा? So you get my point. So I think I encashed on a lot of little opportunity, because I genuinely believe life is not like one big bang shebang that happens to you and saying like, I have arrived. So today when people say, oh, Kanika, you're a good speaker. And I'm like, now also I prepare, before this session, I spent half an hour talking about what I will talk about. So I think you have to work on it. little examples. While like I said, मैं पढ़ाई में बहुत अच्छी थी और काफी घंटे पढ़ाई करती थी. मैं कभी रोड ट्रिप पे लोनावला तक नहीं गई. I really want to tell you this, and now when I'm grown up, I feel I should have done that. So I had a lot of my friends who would say, "चलो आज लोनावला चलते हैं." And I'm like, पागल है क्या 6 घंटे वेस्ट हो जाएंगे, पढ़ाई कौन करेगा, So I was very, very sure that I want to use my time in college very well. Fun is on its own place, but मुझे लगता है जिंदगी में मेहनत I think कभी waste नहीं जाती. And I think maybe I come from a middle class family, so maybe working hard comes from there. And I continue to doing it. जैसे हमारा inter college festivals होते हैं, like Verve and other things. So I used to participate, So a lot of people didn't participate. Or we sometimes got awards. I remember काफी जो inter colleges Pune में थे, I participated in them. Sometimes I was the only one from the college who would go, but I think that gives you exposure and makes you who you are. So that's
Absolutely.
really my answer.
Yeah, like as you mentioned, Verve, currently we are in the situation, I am not at the campus. Otherwise, I would have shown you the trophies. But surely after this, the moment I'll go, I will surely share the photographs of the trophies you have got. So yeah, that will give you a glimpse of what it was then.
And I think it's a combination of many things, right? जैसे कि मुझे लगता है कि while मुझे लगता है कि मेरा career आज जहाँ भी है वो सिर्फ इसलिए नहीं है क्योंकि मैं पढ़ाई में बहुत अच्छी थी, right? That's one aspect. The fact that I could also sell myself, the fact that मैं organizations में अपने ideas को sell कर सकती थी, what also was because I think I had a very holistic. So I'm sure Bhayati sir will agree. हमारे annual day में वो जो tray होती थी उसमें मुझे ही 7-8 awards मिलते थे. वो sports maybe I was good in sports also, I was good in academics also, and I was good at extracurricular activities. So I think it's a combination of everything. One thing doesn't make you successful. आप बोलो मैं खेलता रहूंगा पढ़ाई नहीं करूंगा उससे भी काम नहीं चलता. So I think a little bit of all is very, very, very important in life, and I think that's what at least has helped me.
Yeah, there were many hurdles. I do not want to talk about that. But yes, Kanika, there were few students like Kanika. She was good in all the sports, academic, and Nazneen. She wasn't good in academic. I think Nazneen is here. I think this Saban Nasser is what I don't know. I think she's Nazneen. I don't know.
She's joining us today. I sent
she joined, na? Yeah, Nazneen, can you switch on your camera? I texted her. I asked her, "Are you Nazneen?" But she didn't reply.
अब सर हमारे बाल बच्चे हो गए, अब हम बूढ़े हो गए. Maybe because of that.
Yeah. And Nazneen, please, it's my request to you. And one thing I need to tell here, Shashri ma'am, she was such a wonderful student. She used to help us also while whenever we need to give speech on some platforms. Kanika, I don't know whether you remember or not, but when there was the inauguration of magazine, and we used to have in the last ground, cricket ground. So that time she came and she was like, "Main likh ke dungi," and she gave it to me. I read the same thing, whatever she has written, right? So wonderful student. This batch was very, very wonderful.
Absolutely.
I think we also had wonderful teachers, who really invested in us. But प्यार से हमें रखते थे, whether it was Bhayati sir, and not just him, all the professors that I think we had were very wonderful to us. And I'm genuinely saying that. I also want to tell one more thing. कई बार हम अपनी libraries को undermine करते हैं, but I think the library that MIT had, I think ऐसी कोई किताब नहीं थी, और मैं और नाज़नीन तो काफी पढ़ाई वाले कीड़े थे, तो ऐसी जो भी हमें नई किताब सब्जेक्ट में मिलती थी, हम जाके लाइब्रेरियन को बोलते थे कि ये किताब हमें चाहिए. And I think within a month it used to be procured for us, no matter how expensive the title, and even if it was an international title, it would come for us. So the laboratories, after that I went, so when I was in Baxter, I used to do campus recruitment, right? So I went to a lot of pharmacy colleges across the country. I don't want to name anyone, and I went there to hire students for my organization. And I must tell you, the infrastructure that we had in MIT or in MIP those days, बहुत बेहतरीन था, and I didn't see those kind of laboratories anywhere. Those kind of the large sized the labs that we had, they weren't at many places. So I am genuinely very grateful to a wonderful experience that we had.
That is so nice to hear from your side. A few students in a queue. I would request them to unmute. First, I'll start with Isha Avdhani. Isha, please.
You can also come on camera. I'll be grateful so that I know.
That
everyone can switch on their camera, including Nazneen.
सर अब हम बूढ़े बूढ़े हो गए, अब यू नो डोंट ट्राई दीस ट्रिक्स ऑन अस, है ना नाज़नीन, हमारे यू नो क्या बाल बच्चे हो गए टाइप, नाउ वी आर इन डिफरेंट लीग, बूढ़े हो गए अब हम. यस ईशा, गो अहेड.
So good evening, ma'am.
Hi.
And my question is a little different because in the recent years, I've seen that a lot of feminism and all of this is going on. And sometimes I feel as if being a girl or a woman might hold me back sometimes. Has it ever happened to you? Or has it been a smooth ride in that way?
Yeah, it has been, honestly, मतलब as simple as that. You see, I've had my career for last 16 साल हो गए अब काम करते हुए, और मेरे 16 साल में मेरे husband ने कभी back seat नहीं ली, right? But when I had a child, I had to take one. So yeah, I think बड़ा stupid सा, मतलब ये एक stupid notion है जो society में it goes around that women have to take it. But I think it is also upon women to come back. और मैं you know, without saying, you know, I am a feminist and I do a lot of work for women leadership. But मुझे लगता है women also fall in two categories. There are ones who don't work because somebody is not allowing them to work. The other category also is who don't want to work, and they probably can work. So I can't speak for anyone, but क्या मेरे साथ you know लोगों ने मुझे इसलिए undermine किया है क्योंकि मैं girl हूँ, शायद नहीं. हाँ, कई बार मैं ऐसे कमरों में जरूर रही हूँ जहाँ I've been the only girl, right? और मुझे लगता है because I was the only, I still remember a conference, we were in Goa and there were 300 men in the room. I was the only woman. Right? And it was so awkward to even go to the washroom because the moment I would go to the washroom, all the eyes will move because I was probably the only one in the room, right? Now, but I took that as a challenge to say, because I am the first one in that room, it's very important that when I leave this room, I make an impact that men want to hire more women. I think it's been something that I have taken about myself to say, you know, I will give them such a great experience with me that they're like, huh, you know, why should we not hire a woman? Versus them thinking that should we hire a woman. For example, my son was 2.5 months. I could have extended my maternity leave. But sales mein un dino, other than me, there were no other girls. I knew that if I extend my maternity leave and ek request dalni thi mujhe HR ko ki can you extend, wo bhi I had worked for the organization for 10 years. So extension karna was not a difficult thing. But I said, यार अगर मैंने extend कर ली ना, तो हमेशा के लिए लोगों का notion बन जाएगा that when women go on maternity leaves, they don't come back on time. And I didn't want to at least be the one who starts this precedence in the organization, right? So I think that is all really I have to say. Were men mean to me? Yes. Even women were very mean to me. So I don't think it has anything to do with gender. I think it has something to do with people in general. That's really my thought.
15 मिनट मैं 7 हफ्ते क्लास से
Ma'am, if I can ask you...
Just a minute, Isha. Sushant, please unmute yourself. Yeah, Isha, go ahead.
So, ma'am, now that you've mentioned that you teach across MBA colleges, so has your notion of the MBA changed? Like you said before that you didn't want to do an MBA and it wasn't that enticing to you. But would you suggest that we go for an MBA now?
Yeah, this is a very good question, Isha. आपने मुझे पूछा और मैंने सोचा था कि मैं जब इस कॉल पे आऊंगी तो किन बातों पे बात करना चाहूंगी. This was one of the things I wanted to talk about. I might say something some of you may not like to hear, but you know, since I'm here to speak my mind, I thought I still will. You know, ये जो हमारा notion है कि US चले जाएंगे, let's do an MS, settle in the US. मैं एक 2-3 बातें बोलना चाहती हूँ और इसलिए नहीं क्योंकि grapes are sour, because I've been there and I've come back. So I probably know the reality on both ends. You know, sometimes I ask people, why do you want to go to US, especially young folks like all of you, and they're like better quality of life and good job and all of that. And I want to tell you this, ये जो बहुत कम लोग बोलते हैं US returns, which is that somebody is, I personally feel, is rich in the US not when they're going to Lake Tahoe for a holiday, or they drive a Texas or a car. That's not an idea of being rich in the US. First of all, I consider people rich in US when they're going for holidays to Bahamas. Okay, because that's when you're rich. If you're going to Lake Tahoe and Las Vegas for weekend, you're first of all not rich. Let me help you take that mind out of, you know, that equation. For an Indian to go to Hong Kong is more, you are a richer Indian if you're able to go to Hong Kong for a holiday versus if you're in the US and you're able to go to Lake Tahoe for a holiday. So first of all, let me, you know, make that understanding very clear. आज से 10 साल पहले when people went to US, that was a very different time. That was a different economy. everything was very different. Look at COVID today, the amount of vaccine that India has made, the R&D that is happening here, that is unprecedented as compared to any part of the world. So वो वक्त कि हम बाहर चले जाएंगे, MS हो जाएंगे, settle हो जाएंगे, वो एक अलग वक्त था. And India equally has a lot of opportunities today. For example, जब मैंने Baxter join की थी, मेरे साथ 40 लोग और थे जो various colleges से थे, who joined Baxter. Some of them went into QA, some of them went into QC, some of them went into regulatory, R&D, medical affairs, and they're all doing exceptionally well. So ये एक notion है that we need to first of all go out. The second point that you asked, I often think शायद मेरा जो path था, which is via sales, वो एक different path था, और मुझे sales करनी अच्छी लगती है. You know, it comes naturally to me. A lot of you may not like it. If you don't like it, then maybe doing an MBA is a good idea, but you need to know why you're doing an MBA. किस तरह की job करना चाहते हो? Are you a marketing person? Are you somebody who can ideate, strategize, roll out campaign? Because देखो job जितनी glamorous लगती है उतनी होती नहीं है, right? And while you may pay attention when I tell you, oh, I worked in Hong Kong and I worked there, but I slogged my ass off, right? So you need to understand that, like I said, मेरी calling थी कि I am a talking person, right? So sales, training, these are my strength. I do very well at them. You need to ask yourselves that MBA करके यार मैं job क्या करूँगा? Will you work in Nestle? Would you like to work in Nestle as a ASM or an area sales manager? Would you like to work in maybe Aurobindo Pharma as maybe a marketer? But you know, so you need to understand for yourself what do you want to do, because if you have done pharmacy, वो 3 idiots वाला logic है. अगर pharmacy की है और MBA करके बैंक में लगना तो pharmacy क्यों की? मतलब what is the logic? So I think, you know, that's really my logic. So my sense is you'll make sensible choices with that.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, we have another student waiting for being like asking a question. Isha Oswal.
Okay, there are 2 Ishas. Okay, lucky.
Yeah, there are two.
Go ahead, Isha.
Yeah, good evening, ma'am. It was nice hearing to you. And when you were introducing yourself, I kind of thought that I am a same kind of person. I don't know why, but I could relate to you very much. So my question is, one of the question was asked by my classmate, that is Isha. She told that is doing an MBA very important. So I'm going to develop my family business and also going to work on my startup. So my question is that for the same thing, I need to do an MBA, or there's this course called as Family Business Management, post-graduation diploma. So is that important, or should I start doing my family business as it is? There's a lot of confusion, but one thing which is in common is I enjoy doing everything, and I love working with all the places I go. So there's a lot of clutter in my mind, but I would like to hear your suggestion for the same.
So first of all, this family run MBAs are done by some really good universities. So first, that is the good, that's something that's possible right now. और अगर कुछ सीखना ही है तो पोछा लगा के सीख लो. मुझे लगता है अगर अपनी कंपनी है तो मेरा genuine मानना ये है that MBA does not teach you anything. A lot of time people do MBA because they've not landed a good job first of all after graduation. That's number one reason why people do MBA. The other people who do MBA is they feel that after I do an MBA, I'll get a better job. ये तो आपको दोनों ही नहीं चाहिए because you don't need a job. And I think जो आप अगर आपका अपना फैमिली बिजनेस है तो फ्लोर में खड़े होके वर्कर से समझ के फील्ड में उनके साथ जाकर सेल्स कॉल कर जो आप सीखोगे उसका 1% भी आई थिंक आपको MBA कॉलेज नहीं सिखाएगा. So why do you want to learn from a case study when you already have a case study in your father's organization? That's really my answer to you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. That was a lot to help me. I had a lot of confusion, but it was a very nice explanation, and my confusion is.
But ये जो मैं पोछा लगाने वाली बात बोल रही हूँ, ये सबके बस की बात नहीं होती है. So let me be very honest also about it. You know, maybe I am a little more rogue. मैं आज भी जब clients के साथ काम करती हूँ तो मेरी एक बड़ी अजीब सी request है. मेरे clients ही परेशान हो जाते हैं. I'm like पहले मैं field में काम करके आऊँगी. You know, so if I'm consulting with say Cipla or Dr. Reddy's, before I take work, I go to, you know, I go with their field force to the field. I meet their clients, I understand what their pain point is, and then I sign up. A lot of consultants would never do that. So people have different ways, but reason I do that is because I think वो जो client field में जब आप पसीना बहा के जो सीख के आते हो, वो office के AC के chamber में सीखा नहीं जाता.
Yes, ma'am. Definitely. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
very
And just
rightly.
to add, Isha, like for MBA, you don't need to go to college, but for M.Pharm, you need to come to college. Remember it.
Yes, and I think M.Pharm के लिए आपको आना
Yes.
बहुत जरूरी है और इसीलिए मैं what I want to really talk about it is आप pharmaceutical में M.Pharm कर रहे हैं, pharmacology में कर रहे हैं. These are all great ways to do, but be sure आप करना क्या चाहते हो लाइफ में. जैसे मैंने अपने बारे में रियलाइज किया कि एक लैब में बैठ के QA मैं नहीं करना चाहती. It doesn't come naturally to me. मैं पागल हो जाती. But maybe it is something that works beautifully for someone else, somebody who's an introvert, somebody who's precisioned, somebody who likes stability of life. मेरी लाइफ में कोई stability नहीं है, मैं महीने में 15 दिन ट्रैवल करती हूँ, 8 होटल में रहती हूँ, कई बार एक हफ्ते में 3 होटल्स में रहती हूँ, तो I don't have stability. A lot of people, if they lived my life, while they find it very glamorous, I'd be like, you'll be in a mental asylum very soon. It's not easy to sleep in a different bed every 2 days. पहले दिन नींद नहीं आती, अगले दिन नींद नहीं आती, तीसरे दिन जिस दिन नींद आती है उस दिन you leave the hotel anyways, right? So you have to understand who you are, but I still like that. My husband does not like that, and he's like, I can't do what you do. He has chosen a very different life for himself, and his path is different than mine. He is not wrong. I'm not right. We're just different.
Absolutely, absolutely. Actually, just to mention you, Kanika, these both the Ishas, they are with our NCC camps. So though they look like bubbly type of, but they are really hardworking.
I'm sure they are.
Yeah, they really fight out harder for getting their dreams come true.
Oh, wonderful! Good to hear that.
Yes.
And I'm happy to remain in touch with anyone. My social media handle is GoDiverse on Twitter or Instagram, anywhere. Anyone wants to connect with me, talk to me, I'm always there. I always call back if you call me.
Yes, absolutely. There is a question from, do you remember Kanika Anagha Joshi, madam?
Yes, of course,
Yeah.
my pleasures, yes.
Yeah, so we have her son with us as a student,
Okay.
Ameya Joshi, and he has a question to ask you. So,
Okay.
Ameya, can you just unmute yourself and ask?
This is life going full circle.
Yeah.
She was also a
Ma'am is
wonderful.
there. Then he can ask her
Yes.
to join.
She was a
Yes,
wonderful.
am I audible?
Yes, you are, my friend.
So, ma'am, what was your motivation behind starting Go Divers? And my deeper question is that while you're doing entrepreneurship, whether you're providing a service or whether you're trying to create a product or something, from where do you, what can we say? For entrepreneurship, there has to be something that you sell, right? So from while working, how did you find and how to find such things like an idea for a new novel product or an idea for a service that would be much more convenient for a people? So how to find such things for entrepreneurship? So those are my
Very
two questions.
interesting. I think you asked multiple questions. I try answer them short in multiple ways. First of all, why did I start Go Diverse? I told you, like I said, in life, a lot of my things have happened because I was somewhere at the right time, at the right place, talking to the right people. I think somewhere it was that. So when I started my PhD, I started teaching at a couple of colleges and I realized that there is a gap. MBA colleges में जो सिखाते हैं professors, वो काफी theoretical होता है. जो मेरे पास था वो बहुत प्रैक्टिकल था एंड बिकॉज अब मैं प्रैक्टिकल एक्सपीरियंस को लेके एकेडमिक्स में जा रही थी सो आई फेल्ट व्हाई शुड आई नॉट टेक दिस बैक टू माय क्लाइंट्स सो मैं क्लाइंट्स के साथ काम कर सकती हूँ बिकॉज आई अंडरस्टैंड द जॉब रियली इजीली एंड इफ आई कैन ब्रिंग a theoretical explanation to what I'm proposing as a solution to them, it works even better. So that's the whole premise why Go Diverse started. It also happened because I realized as a woman, as somebody who would like to give back to the society, I wanted to do something for people with disability. I wanted to do something for people from the Pride community, for women, for expats. That was why my agenda, and not many people were doing that. So one of my roles in Baxter, I was a diversity and inclusion lead for Baxter. I was managing Asia Pacific. And I realized यार बातें बहुत हो रही है, काम बहुत कम हो रहा है, right? Because जब मैं थी तब भी मैं अकेली थी सेल्स में और आज 15 साल बाद भी अगर मैं अकेली हूँ तो इसका मतलब बातें बहुत है और एक्शन कम है. So I said, why not understand this at an academic level? So like you see, a lot of it is connected. मैंने corporate छोड़ा academic करने के लिए, फिर academic से मैं पढ़ाने चली गई. फिर जब मैंने पढ़ाया तो कुछ students को जो तो मैं regular students को नहीं पढ़ाती थी. जब मैं पढ़ाती भी थी, मैं जो वो experience batches होते हैं ना, वो जो laterals आते हैं 1 साल का executive करने, मैं उन्हें पढ़ाती थी. तो कुछ लोगों को पढ़ाने के बाद जब वो अपने ऑफिस में वापस गए, they said, why don't we call Kanika? She's a wonderful professor. She can help us consult. And that's how the chain started. A lot of my work happened from my own students who I was teaching. And then I was like, why not make this as a full one? And also I think Go Divers went very iteratively. Failure है मेरा, but share जरूर करूँगी. So when Go Divers started, I wanted to make an app for helping women find jobs and helping people with disability find jobs. That was the intention with which Go Divers started. फंड्स नहीं थे मेरे पास और सेविंग्स को डाल के ऐप में डालना और वीसी इतना दिमाग धंधा मुझे समझ नहीं आता ज्यादा. तो आई सेड इट डिडंट रियली वर्क आउट फॉर मी. मैंने 1-2 साल दिए, ऐप बनाया, वेबसाइट बनाई, 2-2.5 लाख वेबसाइट में लगाए, naukri.com का सब्सक्रिप्शन लिया. सो आई डिड ऑल ऑफ दैट, बट इट डिडंट रियली वर्क आउट. I realized that a lot of organizations were not hiring people with disability, you know. So वही जो मैं कह रही हूँ, कहना और करने में फर्क होता है. And I didn't realize it didn't really work out. So that was my one idea. The other idea I had was a couple of others. So Go Divers happened iteratively in the last 7 years, but today we work in about 13 countries actually. So it's happened very iteratively, I must say, but no right answer. And one thing I want to really say before I go is actually 2-3 things, and I teach my MBA students also this. जिन लोगों को ये लगता है कि यार मुझसे ये 9 to 5 जॉब नहीं होती, अपना काम करेंगे, they are in some serious misconception. Because जब आप अपना काम करते हो तो देखो सैटरडे को भी आप काम कर रहे होते हो. आप देख रहे हो, अगर मैं ऑफिस में होती तो फ्राइडे के बाद काम नहीं करती, कहती अब मंडे को आना 9 बजे के बाद. You get my point? So while I'm not doing this for business, I'm doing this for my heart. But you get my point. Last year I was on a trip to Finland with my family. और आप मानोगे नहीं, फिनलैंड जो दुनिया के वैसे ही बहुत कम लोग पहुंच पाते हैं, मैं वहां बैठ के अपने एक क्लाइंट के साथ बात कर रही थी और मेरे हस्बैंड ने मुझे इतनी गाली दी. ही सेड कि तुम्हें शर्म नहीं आती, तुम फिनलैंड में बैठ के क्लाइंट की प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर रहे हो. सो आई टोल्ड हिम, आई सेड यू आर एन एम्प्लॉई, आई एम एन ओनर, राइट, एंड आई कांट डू व्हाट यू कैन डू. सो ये जो गलत फहमी है ना यार कि अपना काम करेंगे, हम किसी के बाप की नहीं सुनते, ये आई थिंक एक मिथ है. बिकॉज जब मैं ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में काम करती थी तो मेरा एक ही बॉस होता था, दैट्स इट. सिर्फ उसको मैनेज करना था, उसको पॉलिटिकली हैंडल करना था, दैट्स ऑल. टुडे आई हैव 70 क्लाइंट्स एंड सबको लगता है दे आर माय बॉस, राइट. उनको छोड़ो, उनके पियून को भी लगता है दे आर माय बॉस. मतलब जो आदमी मेरा चेक साइन करता है ना, उसको भी लगता है वो मेरा बॉस है. तो ही आल्सो नीड्स टू बी हैंडल्ड वेरी नाइसली. सो आई ऑफन टेल दिस पीपल दैट इफ यू कांट गेट अलोंग विद वन पर्सन, कि यार मेरे से पॉलिटिक्स हैंडल नहीं होती, आई कांट डू दिस, देन यू कांट डू एनीथिंग. Because wherever you go, you will find people, and people are the same, only faces change. Faces change, people remain. You always have to work with people because people are the only currency that I think is available to you. Money goes, all you can trade is relationships, but you have to make a relationship before you need the relationship. तो जिस दिन काम है उस दिन आप कॉल नहीं कर सकते किसी को. You need to call them constantly, even if you have work or you don't. You get my point? So, you can't use and throw people. You really have to genuinely invest in relationships because organizations maybe, I often say this, आपकी पहली जॉब आपको डिग्री के हिसाब से मिलती है कि आपने फार्मेसी की है, आपने एमफार्म किया है, आपने क्या किया. पहली जॉब आपको सर्टिफिकेट के हिसाब से मिलती है. उसके बाद हर प्रमोशन और हर जॉब रोल मूवमेंट और अगली नौकरी भी आपको अपनी वजह से मिलती है, अपने रिलेशनशिप्स की वजह से मिलती है. इट्स नॉट बिकॉज ऑफ योर डिग्री. सो वैल्यू पीपल हु आर अराउंड यू, फाइंड अ वे, वर्क ऑन योर इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस, बी जेन्युइन, because I think that is what will help you survive, nothing else.
Amazing, amazing. It is like, you have described everything from being a student to being a professional, to being an entrepreneur, to being you have you have an entire carpet to cover, and that really stimulates the thought of students. It is fantastic to know much so much about you. I still have because the students, there are a few students which are waiting right now, but I'll still ask one question from my side. You were having excellent score, these are the thought of students which I am portraying, but you had excellent academic score and still you took a decision for not going for what you have, but for going for something which passionates you. So how easy it was to take this call?
मैम आपने बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन पूछा ना. आई रियली वांट टू एक्चुअली आंसर दिस. देखो, केजी में हम स्कूल में चले जाते हैं, 13-14 साल हम स्कूल में पढ़ाई करते हैं, 12वीं क्लास तक, ठीक है. माँ बाप पैसे देते हैं और हम सिर्फ उड़ाते हैं, एज सिंपल एज दैट. मेरे पास तो थे भी नहीं ज्यादा. और उसके बाद 4 साल भी हम ग्रेजुएशन में पढ़ते ही पढ़ते हैं, राइट. और वो भी हम वो पढ़ते हैं जो लोग हमें पढ़ाते हैं. तो बेसिकली अपना दिमाग तो हम बिल्कुल इस्तेमाल नहीं करते हैं. तो मुझे लगता है 17-18 साल के बाद जब आप 4 साल में स्कूल चले जाते हो और 22 में कॉलेज से निकलते हो, आई थिंक बहुत हो गया पढ़ना. आई जेन्युइनली बिलीव दैट एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम. एंड आई वांटेड टू टेस्ट माय मेटल कि यार ये जो पिताजी कहते रहते हैं कि तुम तो बिल्कुल यूजलेस हो, ये सच है कि फेलियर है, So I think it was a combination of that. And while my father never said that, he was very proud of me always. I think it was also to say that, testing myself. अब कर तो ली इतनी पढ़ाई, let me take a break. If I want to do my MS, I can do it after a year. मुझे भी तो पता चले कि मैं क्या करना चाहता हूँ. Let me explore. किताबें, books can't help me decide what I want to choose in my life. Maybe I don't like QA. Maybe I like quality assurance. Maybe I don't like that. I would like to do something in pharmacology. And जो subjects आपको पढ़ने में अच्छे लगते हैं, क्या do you want to make your jobs out of it and do that because you see you're making a decision for the next 30 years. And you can't do that without even tasting it. कि वो किसी ने बोला pharmaceuticals में MBA कर लो तो it makes sense. How can I do that? I've not tested the market. मैंने कभी 2 रुपए नहीं कमाए अपनी life में. So how can I make my life decision and do another degree without knowing anything? I think is the way I thought about it. Maybe it's not the right answer, but at least that's the way I thought about it.
Yeah, because for students, it is very important. Like, even like being a faculty for last 13 years, it becomes a frame of our mind that, okay, this is a studious student, so probably he or she will go for MS or MPharm. This student is like, a very vocal, very talkative type of a personality. So he might go or she might go for an MBA or might be into sales. Kanika, you are being into sales for a very long period of time. You have seen very closely pharma marketing and like you are amongst the guidelines for pharma marketing people. I would like to understand that like these days students really do not wish to go for marketing. I want you to talk about it.
मैम मुझे लगता है बहुत रिवॉर्डिंग है. एक छोटा सा एग्जांपल देना चाहती हूँ. जब मेरी जॉब लगी थी, मतलब आई विल गिव यू आर्बिट्रेटरी फिगर. अगर मान लो 20,000 की मेरी सैलरी थी तो मेरे इंसेंटिव 2.5 लाख रुपए के थे. सो मुझे नहीं लगता कि एनी अदर जॉब फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल गिव्स यू दैट. दैट्स नंबर 1. सो आई थिंक फ्रॉम अ रिवॉर्डिंग पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू बहुत रिवॉर्डिंग है. एंड आई थिंक फार्मा इंडस्ट्री, India healthcare, India pharma, I think is poised at this time for next few years at such a beautiful juncture that I think you can really make good careers. हाँ, कुछ साल आपको स्लॉग करना पड़ेगा, सेल्स करनी पड़ेगी. मुझे आज भी याद है, I was once on a bus from Lucknow to Banaras, right? दिखती मैं ठीक ठाक ही थी. तो मैं बस में जब ढाबे में हमारी रात को बस रुकी, 1-1:30 बजे की बात है, तो एक ढाबे वाला मेरे पास आया, मेरे हाथ पे हाथ रखा. He was very old man and he said, बेटा घर में कोई दिक्कत है जो तुम रात को ऐसे बस में इधर से उधर जा रही हो, कोई परेशानी है? ऐसे नहीं, मुझे अच्छा लगता है, so मुझे लगता है कि now when I look back at life, I realize कि जो मैंने सबसे ज्यादा सीखा, and I swear on my laptop, which is my life right now, I think I learned the most on sales. इंसान की परख, धंधे की परख, business की परख. I think the reason my clients trust me today is also because I know where the dollar comes in. मुझे पता है कि वो जो रुपया कंपनी में आता है वो कैसे आता है, कितनी मुश्किल से आता है. So when I give them solutions, these are not academic solutions, so it has value. And I think I learned a lot in the process. बहुत rewarding है. Like I said, मेरे career के I think 18 महीने में मैं सिंगापुर में थी अपने पहले conference के लिए. So I don't know, and I don't know any other company or any other job which gives you that. So I think if you're willing to put in that hard work, it is the most rewarding. It's also the most fast moving. छोटा सा example देती हूँ आपको. आप एक quality assurance का department देखिए, उसमें कितने लोग होते हैं? 4. एक top boss, एक उसके नीचे, एक उसके नीचे, उसके नीचे. 4 लोग हैं. कितना भी लड़ लोगे, कितने भी confident होगे, कितना ऊपर चले जाओगे, opportunity ही नहीं है. Versus if you're in sales, versus you're in marketing, you are managing a portfolio versus 1,000 crore. You see what is the opportunities are so galore that you can pick and choose. Ki saying, yeah, dental company mein kaam nahi karna. I want to probably work in a stent company, or I want to work in a, I have a friend of mine who only works in vaccine companies, and that's his. And today, look where he is. He's last month became a business unit director of a large organization because of his experience. I have friends who are like, we want to only work in medical technology. So they work for companies like J&J, and they want to work in companies like Medtronic. And then there are pharma guys. So you see, you have so much to choose from. मुश्किल है हाँ, but क्या आसान क्या है? मतलब, as simple as that, I feel that if you're worth it, if you work hard, if you're intelligent, not just intelligent, if you're emotionally intelligent, You manage people around you. And I'm not saying become political. I am the least political person. Bharti sir will tell you. I call a spade, or I don't work in shades of gray. You know, मैं client को भी बोल देती हूँ, you know, कि, you know, a client of mine was asking me yesterday proposal बना के भेजो. I said, पैसे हैं तुम्हारे पास? You know, proposal तो मैं बना दूंगी, but अगर तुम्हारे पास, you know, पैसे नहीं है इस project के लिए, तो मेरा time मत waste करो. You know, as simple as that. But they take my nonsense is because they know I deliver. You know, when I deliver exceptionally well. So whatever nonsense I bring on the table, they take it, because they're like, if we've given work to her, rest assured it will get done. So it's very different, but you need to know, yes, sales is difficult, but nothing is easy.
Absolutely. It's like my teachers used to say that, if you want to be in pharma forever, you should at least do 6 months marketing. That should be the criteria for certification. Getting a license, you should do 6 months marketing. And I was fortunate enough to work for 2.5 years for Sun Pharma at the initial. Yeah.
It's a fab company. Sun Pharma is one of our clients, and I know it's a fab organization.
Absolutely. So I take all my, so many things I have learned in that 2.5 years, which I just keep delivering all the time. So it is absolutely, and somebody, when seconds our thought, it becomes more like the content which we have got is on the right track. Thank you so much.
So अगर आपको कुछ develop करना है किसी company के लिए, strategize करना है, if you don't understand कि end product कहाँ use हो रहा है, then how do you even design it? So in fact, I made this mandatorily even in Baxter. हमारे जितने functional के लोग होते थे, right? People who are CAs working for us, or quality people working for us, or regulatory people working. It was mandatory for everybody to work on the field. क्योंकि अगर मान लो आप adverse event reporting भी कर रहे हो, right? For a product that has behaved differently. If you don't know how it works in the right atmosphere, how will you report it in a wrong atmosphere? You get my point? आप कैसे करोगे adverse reporting अगर आपको regular reporting ही नहीं पता उस product की? So it's important that you get that perspective.
Right. Very true. We have a lot of faculty who have joined the CU. I'll take one by one so that, it becomes more interactive. Polshettiwar sir?
Yes, madam, I'm there. Really,
Yes.
it's a wonderful to hear from Kanika ma'am. Really, it's a great. I really thanks to you for sparing your valuable time to guide our students. Thank you once again.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you for having me.
We have Shraddha Chaudhary ma'am. Shraddha ma'am.
Hello, Kanika. How are you?
I'm doing very well. Thank you for having me, ma'am.
You remember she was there for you for biochemistry?
Of course I remember her. मुझे आज भी याद है. अच्छा मानोगे नहीं. And this is like stayed with me. एक बार क्या हुआ, मेरे पेंसिल बॉक्स के ऊपर मैंने लिखा था, आ देखें किसमें कितना है दम. I don't know if you remember it.
Yeah.
And she was roaming about. Something happened and मैंने बोला कि सब मुझे गलत समझते हो, something like that. Some victimizing I was doing myself. So she came to my table, picked up my pencil box, and she said, तुम करती क्या हो? मतलब ऐसी तो तुम चीजें लिखती हो, कौन आएगा तुम्हारे पास? Something like that. I was telling her, कि कोई boyfriend नहीं, or something I was telling her. I don't know what I was telling her, but she said, देखो अपनी हरकतें देखो, कौन आएगा तुम्हारे पास? So of course I remember her.
Very true.
I still remember you make us very good listener.
Yeah, she mentioned in the comment box the moment she joined that Kanika is the one who made us a very good listener.
Kanika was a student and she is now only, and she is very with refreshing phrase, and she makes everyone refreshing.
Thank you, so kind of you. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Yeah, I'm also agree. Shashi ma'am, I'm also agree. Whenever you interact with Kanika, she won't give you time to speak. She herself will continuously she will speak. But it is always pleasure to listen her.
Yeah, absolutely.
It's always pleasure to listen Kanika and get motivated from her angle.
You're very kind. You're very kind. I think you're very kind to say such nice things. But I genuinely say this, that I think I learned a lot in the process, and I think we had very good professors, and I had one of my best times of my life there. While I should have gone more to Lonavala, I think, now when I look back, but I think, मेरे father एक बात कहा करते थे जो मुझे तब समझ नहीं आई, but मुझे आज आ रही. I think we are also closing time, so I will say this to you. So my father used to always say this to me कि बेटा ये जो Netflix चल रहा है ना, so he used to tell me back then, ये हमेशा रहेगा. So, whether it's Netflixing, whether it is being on social media, he used to tell me even when I was in college, this will remain. What will not remain are your years you're spending in college. Ye wapas nahi aayenge. And it is so true that while that back then I never went to Lonamla, हम bike ride पे नहीं गई मैं, क्योंकि मेरे लिए पढ़ाई ज़्यादा important थी. But आज मैं लंदन जा सकती हूँ शायद, जो शायद मैं अगर वो नहीं करती तो ये नहीं कर पाती. You get my point. So I'm trying to tell this to you that ये वक्त जो आपके पास है, ये एक limited वक्त है. This will not come back again. And I did a research with one of the institutes, and I want to share with you. We asked people in organizations कि अगर हम आपको दोबारा आपके कॉलेज में वापस भेज दे, so would you do it differently or would you do it similarly? And the answer was almost everyone said that if you go send me back to my college again, this time I will do it differently. I will pay more attention. I will do it differently. So don't commit that mistake that people before you already have. ये limited वक्त है, and this will come back. And once you make yourself something in life, you can keep doing it forever. You can now go to places without even asking your parents for it. So ये जो वक्त है, ये बहुत important है. Invest in yourself, be serious about yourself. Boyfriends will go, boys will come, girls will go. And most of these people who are close to you, they will not even be in touch with you after 10 years from now. Neither will you marry them, neither will you be with them. And this is the hard truth of my life. In our college where people were seeing each other, how many of them got married to each other? They didn't. Right? So don't give so much.
No, Kanika, connect yourself. Yeah.
So few people, I'm saying, most people don't make a life together. So what I'm saying is don't waste your energy on someone else. Spend that energy on your own self, because you are your best friend. And people around you will keep changing. You will not change. You are indispensable. You're the centerpiece of it.
But now students are very committed, Kanika.
Sir, वो कहते हैं ना, sir, bring one recession, 2 children and 1 dog and everything changes.
Very well said. Very well said. Yes, Kanika, we have a new faculty joined us the last 3 months, and he is absolutely very supporting. I request Amal Tagadpalliwar sir to have an interaction.
Yes. Hello, Kanika. How are you?
I'm doing very well. Thank you for asking.
Very energetic presentation from your side.
I'm trying. Thank you.
And one important statement, last statement, you said this is the right time to learn. We all the faculty members always try to tell this to students, this is the right time to learn. And you repeated it in a nice way. So thank you so much for these kind words. Thank you again.
Thank you, sir. What's the पढ़ने का ऐसा है, I really want to show you something. This is a book I'm reading. So this is on my table. And if you see these marks, it's a book I'm reading on storytelling. It's just a fiction that I'm reading. I still mark all of this. So मुझे लगता है learning का जो आपका, I think learning never really stops. And you have to continuously work on yourself. So, and this is a skill you need to develop, because you probably will have to do it for the rest of your life. I don't know any CEO who does not study and works hard. I don't know if Bill Gates does not work hard. I don't know of anyone who's never worked hard and made it in life. Shortcuts bade kam hote. And so you really have to put in that effort for the kind of life you choose. Now, last statement, I know we are on time. I also want to say this. देखो, मेरा ये भी मानना है, and I say this to a lot of my other students in college. Everybody does not want to be the CEO, and that is also fine. But if you wish to be one, then it needs sacrifice. And every decision that you take comes at a price. You don't want to work, it'll come at a price, because you will not then enjoy the kind of life you wish to. And if you do everything that needs to say, even then you pay a cost, right? Sometimes I'm not there for my son's birthday. Sometimes I'm not there for his graduation ceremony. I'm not there sometimes. But that's a choice that I'm making for the life I want to lead. So don't be on the bystander and keep waiting for life to happen and say, oh, main ye chahta tha to work for it. If not here, go somewhere else. If not there, then go somewhere else. And if you can't go anywhere else, then the problem lies in you and no one else. If you have a problem with your college right now, find another college. If you can't, then you are nobody. You're actually nothing. So all I'm trying to say is embrace life, work on it. If you don't like your circumstance, change it. Don't become a bystander in your own life and say, oh, mere pitaji bhi gareeb the aur mere paas paise bhi nahi the. I've worked so hard, but I can't. Don't do that. Because nobody has time for sobbing stories. And people only have time for people who are important, who are who are good. मेरे को ही देख लो, अगर आज मैं कुछ नहीं होती तो शायद आज यहाँ नहीं होती, right? So as simple as that. Everything comes because you've done something. You are valuable.
We value you, Kanika. We value our students.
Yes.
I know, but I'm just saying that we become somebody because we have put in that amount of effort on us. And Bharati sir, because I'm sure you know that if you call me to this, I will do justice to this. You know, and I'm trying to do justice to my presence.
ये बहुत गलत बात कही आपने. आपकी फर्स्ट बैच थी जिसको बाहर सेंड ऑफ मिला था.
Very specifically mentioned hurdles were there.
All my students are listening, huh?
Please always fighting.
Please don't be loud.
We are always fighting. So I think the point
outside the campus आपको पहली बार क्या मतलब कॉलेज के हिस्ट्री में पहली बार आपको बाहर सेंड ऑफ मिला था.
बिल्कुल. So वही मैं स्टूडेंट्स को बताना चाहती हूँ that fight for it. If you believe you or need it, you should fight for it. Nobody else will fight for it. Everything is important, and these days that you're spending in college is very important. This will not come back. So
Absolutely.
Make the right choice.
Kanika, with the faculty does not like as the students only cannot make a college. Similarly, the faculty only cannot make the college. So we have with us Anita Shivai madam, Dinkar Jadhav sir, and Vivekananda Kalyani sir. I will request them to just switch on the cameras and give a hello. You might get all the glimpse of your laboratory works done.
And guys, मैं सच में repeat करना चाहती हूँ ये बात, right? I have been to a couple of college for campus placements across the country, and I think the kind of infrastructure we had at MIT, the labs, the professors, the people, the kind of library we had, the life resources we have. I am telling you, I can give it to you in writing. A lot of large campuses who are so-called really nice even don't have what we have. So we must value what we have. You've really landed yourself in a good place. Make the most of it is what my suggestion would be.
Absolutely, absolutely. So
Kanika, we have Shashank, your classmate. Shashank. I think Mahesh is also there, and I don't know why Nazneen is switching on her camera.
No, I think Nazneen is not there, sir.
Okay.
Nazneen is not there. Okay. Yeah. Hi, Kanika.
Hi, Shashank. Good to see you too.
Yeah.
Lovely.
After 15 years. After 15 years.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
याद मत दिलाओ हम कितने बूढ़े हो गए.
और मुझे अभी भी याद है कि शायद कनिका ने एक फिल्म में एक्टिंग भी की है फॉर short period of a time.
Symbiosis, I do remember.
I think, yeah, I'm still remember that. Kanika ne, I think it was a remake of Padosan, I think so, right? Yeah, the shooting was in Pune, I think in Symbiosis. I still remember this.
And she played a role of Padosan.
No.
It was a very short role, but I'll tell you something. Again, I'll tell you something. You know, वही मैं आपको बता रही थी. You know, मैंने वो रोल किया और होता ना पैसे भी मिले थे काफी सारे मेकअप भी लगाया तो I was very thrilled कि यार ये बिल्कुल सही है. पूना में मैं हूँ, बॉम्बे में जा सकती हूँ, शक्ल सूरत मेरी ठीक ठाक है, दिखती मैं ठीक हूँ. I should do this. मैं जब घर वापस आई मेरी मम्मी ने एक खींच के चाटा मारा मेरे. She says ये बकवास बंद करो, कॉलेज में हो, पढ़ाई करो, एक बार पढ़ाई खत्म करो, जो करना है उसके बाद करो. You know, don't bring this shit in your life right now. And I tell you, that was the best slap I had in my life. You know, I genuinely believe that. You know, because now when I look back in my life, अगर मैंने graduation complete नहीं की होती, right, सही time पे अपना दिमाग channelize नहीं किया होता, I wouldn't have become who I have become. You know, today I'm again back in Bombay. If I want to do, I can do a second career in acting, right? But I can't do my college again. And I can't do those formative years again. So sometimes we don't realize the worth of what our parents do for us when they stop us. But I think I am very grateful to having professors who checked twice, saying, "Do din class mein nahi aayi, kyun nahi aayi?" And I tell you, I never bunked college. Let me also tell you. You know, I was one of those people, and Shashank will agree. You know, मेरे notes से काफी class पढ़ती थी. Let me tell you that. So final जिस दिन exam का दिन होता था, तो मेरी copy होती थी, which was the original. और मेरी copy के 5-6 spiral bound होते थे, staple मार के, जो बाकी लोग भी पढ़ रहे होते थे. You get my point. So I don't think I've ever bunked college. Reasons बड़े सारे थे. But I was very committed to what I am to, and I think, like I said, I'm very glad that God gave me the right wisdom to do the right thing at the right time, and I had right professors to guide me at the right time.
Absolutely, thank you so much, Shashank, on behalf of
thank you, ma'am.
IT School of Pharmacy for joining and making this session very interesting. It feels like, you know, coming back home. So it's wonderful to have you here. Kanika, there's one student called Praneeth, and he wished to ask one question. So Praneeth, can you just unmute yourself?
Yes, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Hi, Praneeth.
Hi, ma'am. This is Praneeth. Ma'am, I have a little offbeat question. Where you are here in your life, you took many risks to have that you went to that position. Before you took many risks, and I had a personal experience that I took a very big risk right after my 12th standard, and it came out a really very blunderous way. So right now I'm very frightened to take much higher risk. Shorter risk I can take, but to take a very big risk I'm frightened. So in how can I make my mind to take more higher risk in life?
Praneeth, what year you are in right now? Which year of pharmacy
right now I'm in second year.
So I think Praneeth, life moves on. First of all, मेरे सारे risk follow नहीं हुए. मैंने आपको बताया ना, जब मैंने ये शायद मैं बताना भूल गई, जब मैंने Baxter छोड़ी थी और अपना कंपनी शुरू की थी, तो मेरे पास पैसे नहीं थे बिजनेस स्टार्ट करने के लिए, क्योंकि तभी मैंने एक नया घर खरीदा था, सारी डाउन पेमेंट में पैसे चले गए थे. And I didn't want to ask someone for money for my company. Neither my father, neither my husband. थे भी नहीं उनके पास बहुत ज्यादा, और मैं मांगना भी नहीं चाहती थी. Let me be really honest. तो फिर मैंने सोचा क्या करूं. फिर मैंने अपनी शादी की ज्वेलरी बेच दी. मैंने कहा यार ये तो स्त्री धन के नाम पे सारी मेरी है. जो मेरे पापा ने दी वो भी मेरी है, और जो मेरे इन-लॉज ने मुझे दी वो भी ज्वेलरी मेरी है. तो one day I went and I sold all my jewelry. 4-5 लाख की बिकी होगी कुछ, और उससे मैंने अपनी पहली कंपनी स्टार्ट की थी. और उस कंपनी में मैंने कुछ 5-6 लाख रुपए लगाए थे, जो सारे के सारे बर्बाद हो गए. Right, the app didn't work, and the person who created that app for me was cheated me, and all of that really happened. फिर मैंने अपना नेक्स्ट बिजनेस वेंचर स्टार्ट किया, और मेरा जो बिजनेस पार्टनर था उसने मेरा चेकबुक पड़ी रहती थी ऑफिस में, साइन चेकबुक पड़ी रहती थी, और मैं वैसे थोड़ी ट्रस्टिंग हूँ लोगों की, तो धीरे धीरे वो जो साइन चेकबुक थी उसमें से वो पैसे निकालता रहता था, और मुझे पता नहीं चला. And that happened, and I lost a lot of money even in that business. But that didn't stop me from still going on. What my partner did to me, वो उसका कर्मा है, right? It is his life, it is his values. It does not have to stop me from trusting people. I went ahead, got another partner. I still trust my new partner. थोड़ा ध्यान रखती हूँ अब, जैसे पहले नहीं रखती थी. But have I stopped taking risks? No, I have not. Will I start another company? Yes, I will. In fact, कई बार मैं सोचती हूँ यार अकल नहीं थी तुझमें, ज्वेलरी गिरवी रख देनी चाहिए थी, बेची क्यों? I could have gotten that back, but sometimes you don't think, and I was much younger those days. 7-8 साल पुरानी बात है. So you get my point. So will I stop trusting people? No, I won't. Will they cheat me? Yes, they will. Will bad things happen? Yes, they will. Did my manager at some point of time in my life take away credit for what I did? Yes, he did. Yeah, it happens. I remember I was pregnant and I was doing some project, and 3 days before the project, my manager said कि तुम्हें करने की जरूरत नहीं है, I'll take it over from here. And he completely sidelined me. I was pregnant. I was 9 months pregnant. I was working on that project, and last minute he said, I'll take over. So will I stop doing what I do and stop trusting people? No, I will not. It talks about his karma. Look at where I am today. Look at where he is. So life keeps changing. That's the beauty of life. और वक्त बिल्कुल एक जैसा नहीं रहता. That's the other beauty of life. So don't hold yourself back is all I will say to you. और ऐसा कोई सक्सेसफुल आदमी नहीं है, या ऐसा कोई एवरेज आदमी भी नहीं है जिसको किसी ने धोखा नहीं दिया, जिसके साथ कुछ खराब नहीं हुआ. So I think it's about आपका फोकस किधर है. That's all really I have to say.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Fantastic answer. Like I will not say answer. It is like Jivan Gyan. I will label it as, because whatever you have went through, so vocally you have mentioned everything, like though it be success or though it be failure, so that all the students can really make out what is, like, even if this happens to me, I have to go ahead. So that really makes a lot of sense for them at this age.
और मैम ये जो सक्सेस है ना, ये बहुत ओवररेटेड है. और कई बार ना लोग जैसे बिजनेस क्लास, जैसे आई रिमेंबर जब मैंने करियर शुरू किया था तो मैं सेकंड क्लास में ट्रैवल करती थी, वही मेरी एलिजिबिलिटी थी. और मेरे बॉसेस बिजनेस क्लास फ्लाई करते थे, तो मैं सोचती थी यार क्या बिजनेस फ्लाई क्लास कर रहे हैं, क्या हमें सेकंड क्लास बस से भिजवा रहे हैं. बट व्हाट जो मैं नहीं समझ पाई तब वो ये था कि वो उनका चैप्टर नंबर 25 है उनकी लाइफ का, मेरा चैप्टर नंबर 1 है. एंड आई कांट कंपेयर माई चैप्टर 1 नंबर 1 विद समबडी एल्सेस चैप्टर नंबर 25. And I don't want you to compare your chapter number with my chapter number 25. You know, so today when you see my company works for 12 countries, no, that's not where we started. I really want to put this on record. The first year I left my very, very well-paying job in Baxter, I made 32,000 rupees the whole year. बहुत पुरानी बात नहीं है, 2013 की बात है. I made 32,000 the whole year. You know how much I made the next year? 22,000. And this is when I was getting very well paid at Baxter. You see, when I started my entrepreneurial journey, I didn't make money. So that will happen. So मैं बोलूँ नहीं, मैं तो business class fly करती थी और अब मैं second class के भी पैसे नहीं है, 32,000 में क्या-क्या कर लूँगी. But that's how you have to keep making your own path, right? I connected with people, I studied, I did my PhD, I started teaching. There are some courses I did for free so that I get, you know, audience. And then when I built an audience is when I started charging it. So I think you just have to be more emotionally intelligent and manage your emotions. मैंने सिर्फ दो चीजें सीखी अपनी life से which has made me successful or maybe averagely successful. One is managing my own emotions. When people teach you know, betray you, hurt you, say bad things, do bad things, you have to manage your emotions. You can't give power in their hands. You have to get up from there. You have to channelize yourself differently and say, okay, I'll find a new path. That's one. The second thing I've learned in my life, which I really value, is importance of your family and your, not so much friends also, but I think my own family. And I often say this to a lot of students I teach, saying when you're choosing to marry and finding a partner, choose stability over sexy, you know, so don't look for a partner who's extremely good looking. So those should not be your criteria. Look for someone who'll stand with you when you are a nobody, who'll stand with you when days are really rough. And sometimes you have to make that conscious choice of choosing someone who's stable. So, you know, you may not be able to flaunt them. They may not be most amazing, but these are people who'll be with you. So choose wisely and marry someone who loves you more than you marrying someone who you really love. So think about that.
Absolutely, absolutely. There is one student who wished to have a word with you. I'll not take much time of yours, but yes, the last one.
Okay, so absolutely, my
yes,
pleasure.
Suyash, please go ahead.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. The session was very good. I don't want to say like it was something that you were teaching, but I just like to say that thank you because you just reinforced some things that my parents have taught us and told us. And it is quite different listening from a third person because I think that we take our parents for granted because like they are always there, right? They're always supporting us. So when we hear from a third party that sacrifices are good and they can help you propel yourself forward and it all works out sometimes. Like life is not a journey of flowers and all, right?
No, it's not.
Bhi hote hain and you also go up. So I think that was quite reinforcing for me personally. So I think I would just like to say thank you from my side and maybe from the student side. I think that it is very important for like I'm in third year, right? So I think it is important to know that it will work out maybe, but that hearing that from someone else, it is even better.
So instead of saying thank you to me, you should go tonight, everyone, and say thank you to your parents because I think they go through a lot for all of us. We don't realize it. वो कहते थे ना मम्मी पापा कि जब अपने माँ बाप बनोगे तब तुम्हें समझ आएगा. So I think it's somewhere
absolutely.
that.
Absolutely.
So now that I'm a parent myself, but Bharti sir will know my parents were always very important to me. And I've been very grateful that I had amazing parents who taught me amazing things. And last चीज मैं बोलना चाहती हूँ, and you know, Suyash, you remind me. मुझे याद है जब हम college में होते थे, I come from a middle class background, right? So I never had enough money. कभी भी ज़्यादा नहीं होते थे. And we also had students who are from, you know, international students who probably had more money. Students from business class families who had more money. I remember college आने के लिए भी मेरे मम्मी पापा ने मुझे second hand scooty खरीद के दी थी. You know, even first hand we couldn't afford it. And कई बार I used to have this anguish saying, यार उनके पास है, उनके मम्मी पापा तो दे सकते हो, तुम नहीं दे सकते हो, तुम्हारे पास नहीं है. You get my point. But now I realize that they were doing what they were doing. And I'm also glad that my parents didn't push themselves too much for me. You know, मैं ज़्यादा push करती तो शायद वो भी करते. So they were also like, you know, you will only get this much. So everything was rationed. And I think that has taught me how to ration my company today. You know, अगर मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा abundance में मिलता, शायद मैं company को उस तरह नहीं चला पाती जिस तरह मैं आज चला पा रही हूँ. So, you know, don't compare yourself with people. I know easier said than done hai. But, you know, we will all make our own path. And I might say something last, which some of you may not like it. मुझे लगता है success के लिए ना भूखा रहना थोड़ा ज़रूरी होता है. Because I think what decides success from failure is how hungry you are. And I think पेट बहुत ज़्यादा भरा हो ना तो आदमी ज़्यादा भागता नहीं है. And in that case, you don't make a mark for yourself. So I'm glad that my stomach was empty, and I'm glad that made me run a little bit more.
Absolutely fabulous. Absolutely. Very, very meaningful thought. And it makes a lot of sense. But still, I have one question to ask. Absolutely, it will be answering in one word. So
she's a consultant. She's a consultant. She will.
Yes, sir. I am asking a person question. I am alumni coordinator. I have that.
Just before that, I just want to tell Suyesh. Suyesh is Kanika is not third person. Kanika is a family member of MIT.
Yes.
Right. Yes.
That is a correction. Yes, absolutely. Kanika, you might find it very surprising to answer, but what is your zodiac?
I'm a Libran.
Absolutely. Actually, you have actually made me walk my college lane. So I just asked the question I used to ask in my college days. Wherever I used to meet with people, I used to find out there is some common aspect to it. So I just ask it. It is fabulous to have you here.
And I share a lot with my parents, and not because, they are the best cool parents. I told you, my mummy kitni zor se thappad marti thi. I just told you that, right? So I didn't have cool parents at all. Let me tell you that, right? So no short skirts, none of that. I heard all of that one can possibly hear. But I used to share a lot with my parents and, kya hua. And today when I told her that I'm going for a class with Bhayati sir, so she knew him. And she said, but 2-3 और professors के नाम थे ना, Joshi ma'am कहाँ है, So she remembered something I told her about 20 years back now. And I think that's why family is very important. And, sometimes it takes a little while like I said, I always remembered, but I'd like you to go back today and maybe thank your parents for everything that they're doing for all of us today.
Absolutely, absolutely. That is such an insightful thing. Fantastic to have you here. It is absolutely a pleasure when a student after 15 years coming back to the Alma Mater. It is absolutely the feeling of warmth is all over throughout the day for me. And it will last forever. That is, I'm very sure of. It's very insightful for our students also that somebody who knows so much about the journey of a student and somebody who has scaled the height has made a lot of difference to their life, though they might not mention it right away right now, but yes, I am very sure of this session was a great insight for them. Thank you so much. A lot of students will follow you, and I am sure it is going to be, for you, it will be a bit taxing, but I am very you will get back to them 100%.
I will. I always will. You write me a message. I always go back. If that's okay with everyone, I can leave my contact details here. If you think I can help in any way, I'm always there. And my social media handle is Go Diverse. Some has. All right.
Shashi ma'am, yes. You also inform about radio. So
yes, I was about to. Kanika, in this preceding time, decided that because there are not a lot of functions which are happening as MIT witnessed these days, so we started with a radio channel called Farmaish. I will send you the link of it. It is all related to the pharmacy information on a larger scale. It is just a 2 hours channel currently we are working with. We started 17th of this May 17th we started with it, and all the entire thing, the social media, Farmaish programming, everything is being done solely by our students. So they will get back to you, requesting you for your time, short recordings for the channel, and I know you will surely help them.
Of course. And lastly, a lot of you, if you want to understand what's happening in the industry, first of all, keep abreast with what's happening in different healthcare organizations, so that you know what's going on, what's the demand. The other thing I'd like you to do is go through channels which are hiring people, pharma companies which are hiring. It'll help you to understand what kind of skill sets are being required, whether it is in the, in the quality section, whether it is in the marketing section, whether it is in the R&D function. It'll help you to understand how you should, create yourself is the last thing I'm leaving all of you with.
Absolutely. Thank you so much. Thank you. for joining us, and it is great pleasure to have you. Do let us know if you have some some programs to offer to our students, or you can design particularly, and we can really collaborate in that way, so that it will be everlasting journey for us. It was fantastic to have you. Thank you so much. And even thanks to the students who have joined from your batch. I'm grateful to them for joining. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Very nice meeting with you.